conjugation. वैसे तो स्टीफन ने कराते थे पर फिर भी जस्ट a repetition. What is the meaning of this conjugation? Conjugation means when two paramecium या two animals they come together and connected with jointed with each other. जिस तरह मैं तुहानू नाम पूछे है इस तरह ही conjugation का भी नाम है कि when two paramecium they are attached with each other and form a one tube like structure, that is called the conjugation, conjugated tube, or those who are jointed with each other and like form a tube, that is called the conjugation. That process is conjugation, and these two are called conjugants who form the tube, that is called conjugants. Clear? This process of formation of conjugation tube, that is called the conjugation. Now conjugation is a process when two species एक इधर चुंदा paramecium chordatum. This is not in Aurelia. Yesterday we have done the kappa particle that is formed in paramecium aurelia, not in paramecium chordatum. Clear? This in this species two parameciums, paramecium ik, ज़्यादा paramecia, two paramecias they come together and केड़ी साइड तो एक दूसरे दे कोल आंदे है oral side. From the oral sides they come together, come to near to each other, or at that space they are the cilias, they are degenerated and they help in formation of conjugation. And the cilias they also sticky means उन्होंने अटैच करके रख दे एक दूसरे नाल अलग ना हो जान प्रोसेस के ड्यूरेशन. दैट stickiness is also given by the cilias. That is clear to everyone? Yes. Cilias which are present in the oral groove. क्योंकि ये तो opposite side ते oral groove आंदा ना nucleus ते. Paramecium structure is like this. It is like this. Clearer? So they are jointed with each other on this side. Oral groove, the cilias which are present here, they help in formation of the joining with each other. Clear? Or they sticky to each other on this side. First they jointed anterior side and then posterior side. And in this common place, the pellicle which is present plasma membrane, that is dissolved and there is formation of conjugation this tube. This conjugation is also we have studied in case of किदे च पढ़े दे ध्यान है किसे च conjugation process बैक्टीरिया. ठीक है. Now first step, चलो अदर ध्यान करो. In the first step conjugants develop bridge. Clear? किस तरह बनता वो मैं दस दिता तुहानू कि उन्होंने दे सिलियास जॉइन करनगे oral grooves तो उत्थों pellicle is dissolved. Then macronucleus is degenerate, break down and mix with cytoplasm. Of both, and this small nuclei micronuclei they divided into two here, डिवीजन केड़ी होएगी माइटोसिस, सो दैट देयर क्रोमोसोम नंबर रिमेन सेम। ये चीज़ां ध्यान करन वालियां। और एक कादे वास्ते हुंदा है, रीजुविनेट द न्यूक्लियस, rejuvenation of macronucleus. Now second division, from the 2 there is change into 4. These 2 change into 4 nuclei, 4 in here, 4 here. Here the 3 nuclei that is degenerated. Now their chromosome number is still is 2n. It's a diploid. It's a diploid which is 2n. Diploid क्यों होता है? जिस तरह साढ़े विच 46 क्रोमोसोम है in one cell. Clear है? और these they are 23 on one side, 23 on this side. They faces each other. This is 23, this is 23, this is called n, this is also called n, or this is total 2n. When there is a reproduction, always they are separated. One is this side, another is on this side. This situation should be in case of reproduction. When they fuse with egg and sperm, when they fuse with each other. जब तक यह स्टेज नहीं ना आएगी तब तक वो आपस च फ्यूज नहीं करेंगे. स्टिल देयर नंबर इज 2n. इत्थे 2n आ गया. नाउ म्योसिस टेक्स प्लेस. लिख लो, म्योसिस टेक्स प्लेस. Their chromosome number is half. Now its number is half. Meiosis takes place. Now they fuse with each other. This smaller move to this side and it's this smaller is moved toward this side, or there is these male pronuclei of one fuse with the macronucleus, the male pronuclei of this fuse with this, there is exchange. Then there is formation of 2 zygotes. One here, another here. And after this they both separated. इसके बाद जदों दोनों च जाइगोट बन गए, इट बिकम द वन इंडिविजुअल. देन these two are separated and they generate the pellicle membrane, cilias and all the things, zygote. Then its number is now 2n because this is of n, this is also n. When it moves and fuse, it become 2n. Here it moves n and n. When it moves here, it become the 2n. Clear? Now it is a zygote. Now first division is takes place. They become 2. Then mitosis. Now it is again mitosis. साइटो समटाइम कल पढ़ाया ना कापा पार्टिकल्स भी ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं ना. then 4, then 8 mitosis is takes place. Now 4 become micro and 4 become micro. They are the micro. Now again 3 degenerate. Micro 3 disappear or degenerate, merge with the cytoplasm. And now this is the situation. Now there is invagination is takes place. Invagination is takes place. They become in the center. Invagination is takes place, two here, and ठीक है. This micronucleus divide into two. Now this takes place जिस तरह ਇੱਥੇ तीन disappear हो गए, एक appear हो गया. When it is break down like this again divide, this again divide. Here they become the two. Then after this, in the center again invagination is takes place. One is this, another is this. Here again one is this, another is this. Clear? From two one conjugate there is formation of two. So in case of two there is formation of total four conjugate with pairing four. This is the cross fertilization, means from one to the move to the second, like sperms moves from male to female. This is a cross fertilization, and this pairing is called equivalent to the copulation. During the copulation, male transfer the sperms into the female. Clear? This pairing is equivalent to the copulation. Secondly, cross fertilization. Third is reciprocal. How it is reciprocal? This male, this is micro move into here, and from the here micro move into here. Equal है ना, equal and opposite. इधर दा मूव करेगा इधर, ते इधर दा मूव करेगा इधर. This is called the reciprocal cross fertilization. This is also takes place in earthworm. Earthworm च भी हुंदी है. मतलब these are terms, basic terms of that moves toward the higher animals. क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन सानू हायर एनिमल्स से सब चीज़ मिलती है ना. क्लीयर है? दीज आर द बेसिक प्रोसेस. हुण इन्हां दा सिग्निफिकेंस की है? क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन. जे क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन है, एक दा एग एक दा स्पर्म, हाउ फिर की होगी? वेरिएशन. इट लीड्स टू ए प्रोसेस ऑफ वेरिएशन. दैट इज इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस. रेसिप्रोकल एक हो गया, क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. ਦੈਨ ਇਜ਼ ਰੈਸੀਪ੍ਰੋਕਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੇਰੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ देयर. क्रॉस तो होएगा तो वेरीएशन आएगी ही आएगी. वेरीएशन दो चीज़ां करके आती है. एक तो म्यूटेशनस हो जान, दूसरा जदों डिफरेंट गेमीट्स जॉइन करन, क्योंकि कुछ करैक्टर उहदे आने, कुछ करैक्टर उहदे आने. क्लीयर है? तीसरा रीवाइवेशन ऑफ मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस. नवा बन गया ना मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस. ठीक है? और जदों नवा बनेगा तगड़ा हो के बनेगा, सारियां एक्टिविटीज़ फटाफट अच्छे तरीके नाल करेगा. एंड आल्सो rejuvenation of micronuclei also, that also become the active. conjugation ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਕਦੋਂ ਹੈ? ਜਦੋਂ binary fission ਤੋਂ ਥੱਕ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. ਇੱਕੋ binary fission means when one divided into two divided into four divided into 8. clear है? ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹੋ ਹੀ ਸਾਈਟੋਪਲਾਜ਼ਮ, ਉਹੋ ਹੀ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਸ, ਉਹੋ ਹੀ ਮਾਈਕਰੋਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹੋ ਹੀ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ, ਜੈਨੇਟਿਕ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੀ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ. ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟਲੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਕਪੈਸਿਟੀ खत्म हो जाती है, डिटीरियोरेट होती रहती है, तो देयर इज़ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू वन इन these cases because it is merged in the cytoplasm and there is again formation of macronucleus. Clear है सारा? This is next is hemixes and last topic. Then is the hemixes. Now hemixes is of three type. As its name, mixes means mixona. This is again in Paramecium caudatum. In that one process, there is formation of two macronucleus. Division of and it starts dividing. In vagination there is formation of two micronucleus divide. This is one process. Second is it throw its substance and there is formation of new one. Third process is this macronucleus divided into two. ठीक है, again and they throw some waste material from the macronucleus. Macronucleus and there is again division takes place. There is the significance of this hemixes is to revive the genetic material and formation of new ones. ठीक है, this is the significance of the hemixes. This is also one type of reproductive method of reproduction. Clear है? ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ that is completion of the reproductive systems. Any question regarding the kappa particles and other systems do you want to ask me? Reproduction ਦੇ ਨਾਲ cytogamy, autogamy, then ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ? conjugation, hemixes. Any question do you want to ask? ऑटोगैमी भी कर लिए ना आप? ठीक है, एनी क्वेश्चन?